Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule your final exams with the Student Accessibility Resources Office. First, you visit our website, www.gvsu.edu/accessibility. From the home page, you click on the scheduling test request link. Once you click on the link, it takes you to a new page or a new tab within the browser. On the new page, you scroll down till you see the link Schedule Exam and Quizzes with Access. You click on the link and then you have to select the type of student that you are, type of user that you are. As a student, you select student option. And once you select the student option, you'll be required to log in with your username and password. Once you have logged in, it will bring you to the home page. You can also access this system from any of the emails that you have received from the Student Accessibility Resources Office. So this is the same system you use to request for accommodations, to submit your semester request, and other activities. Right. Once you are logged in, from the home page, you select the test request menu. If the test request menu is not available on your screen, kindly reach out to your advisor to help you rectify the issue. From the test request menu, you scroll down and click on the new testing request link. Once you click on it, the first thing you need to select is your course. So in this case, I'll be selecting my course. Then you need to select the date range. The date range for your final exam will be the final exam week. And you can also see the dates on the GVSU calendar. All right, so I'm going to leave my date range as this. And then if it's a final exam, you click final exam. For your building, you select the building where you want to take the exam. The building helps you to filter and only show you rooms for the building that you select. However, you can also leave it blank. So I'm going to leave it blank and then click check availability. Once I click check availability, I can see the final exam rooms. And then you review the available time slots, select the time slot that works for you. Once you select the time slot that works for you in the exam, you can put a brief description of your exam, which is not mandatory. For this, I'm going to use final exam as my brief description. The system will display the testing dates, the testing time, also the length of the exam. Again, you'll be required to select if it's a final exam or not. I'm selecting yes because it's a final exam. By default, all your accommodations that are approved for you will be checked, meaning that are available for this exam. However, you have the option to uncheck the ones that you don't want to use. So I'm going to leave all of them checked. You also have the option to select resources that you need for this exam. For example, you might need a calculator, a math formula, you might need a chart or a bubble sheet. This is where you have the option to check these resources. Do you need a reader for this exam? If you need one, you select yes. If not, select no. And finally, you have an option to put in additional information regarding this exam. So anything that has not been captured and you want to capture, you have the option to do that. Once you are done filling the form, you click submit request. Once you click submit request, you'll receive an email confirmation of your request. Also, we will be notified and your professor will be notified. Within the pending testing request page, you'll be able to see your recently selected request. Thank you, and this is the end of the video. Bye for now.